kum kadak ban persha ya ka sarkar jilla halor ka jing penslam ban pen urlong ya ka jing dawa ban kentiu prapo persen ya ka tulap ha ringkad 8% ya ki bla rangba ha ka kamba ki trei kabala sa teng na du usnam 8,000 khat riu ka all Meghalaya SSA Non-Teaching Staff Association menta ka si balang ka lai puai terek unai tung 8,000 apsal kelas jangi ka jingi ki da ka basyang kalan mongor baklemput sngi hamal ki Hakani ka sngi lawan bani shim benta degi spangut ki dikhat ka all Meghalaya SSA Non-Teaching Staff Association na kaleng ka rilom khasi jantia bat garo. Kini ki non-teaching staff hi kentup ya ki betray haki cluster level, block level, district level but state level ki bahab po ka office ka Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan State Education Mission Authority of Meghalaya. Kakong Jennifer Jones Syndrome kabade ka president kalayatho baki board district kila dep ai ka jingben ban pelong ya kane ka jingi shong kalan mongor
Ong atin lai sini ka ju kedebe bangi isuan kesuau ka sarkar ba khasnem kangi kamiyo ka enhancement jam ka tulab dungi tieng imban si shu bangin wan chagani ka platform namar bangi ladap ina longo ka tungga jingkiu jangka mar ka mata mata tikala ta bhai ka ko dungi ni ka dungi tidak nak jam so for that reason we came here because for 8 years now we have been deprived of not enhancing our salary so in which we have given 100% of our dedication not 100 maybe more than that also a point of time which we have to come today to put our request to the government. As we know that we are also the government servants, we know how to follow the rules and regulation. We have to be very, since we are working in that particular organization where we have to, with our own roles, with our own values, with our own character and personality, we replace this to each and everyone, the children of the state. So for that reason, we want to sit as a sit-in demonstration for a peaceful, so that the government could listen to our plea. So with all these conditions, with all these problems, I would also like to welcome and thank all the members who are here today, and especially that side, and some are still on the way. Condition. So I'll be reading here so that all of you would hear. Members are to be disciplined and sit in a peaceful manner. Members are not allowed to shout or write slogans against the government. Banner and placards should consist of the theme we demand for an enhancement of 80%, yearly increment of 5%, and seniority of 2%. Members are not allowed to consume or drink any intoxicant or liquor, etc. during the protest. You can do that in your own choice, in your own home. So members are strictly not allowed to create any nuisance or any problem that will disrupt the protest, because that will fall against us. And if any members found breaking the above terms and conditions, they should be liable for their own sole act, and the association will not take any responsibility of such act. I know all of you are educated. All of you know the rules and regulations. Everybody, I hope you will follow these rules and regulations. And remember that we are here to fight for a common cause. We will definitely win. Cheers for the All Meghalaya SSA Non-Teaching Staff Association. Mga ongmentan, kani ka sit-in demonstration kadi bang min pun sngo ya ka sarkar jungi bakan ay katak enhancement ka jungi ka bala diu mentala prasnem. Te hoat kila jubab ya kata kila ong ban ay arpusan persen. Te kumba pilai I mentan ru ki group jungi kim tre ek arpusan persen bangi ngimban si ki leaders nila long ka meeting men arpusau terik. Balada kim ay kata ka prapu persen yangi tingi ngim kidon napleng jungi ngibro kim ngimya kwa. Hakatu singi ngidon kumban rus pangut tami ay tamba kiyaw ong bet ngim yakwa ti mentan rup la ihi da ka khmat lajong bagi ni member jungi kim yakwa ya kata ka arpusan persen namar kamlong justified show so nakata ka daw ngiwan ban syong ngani sit in demonstration ban ngikwa ban pensngo pensngap jika sarkar ngikwa ban pa ki jing duai ki jing kerpat ki jungi ya ka sarkar bakan sngap lem ni ki jing ki jungi namar balai katkum ka jing
kieu ki mar ki mata ya kata ke ngihap shna ya kata ka price ya kata ka salary ke jongi artusan persen prasnem te kam so ngatharai kam long justified ken te nata ka daw ngin sapoi banya shong ni tabangia ongro bangin abide by all the rules and regulation bala ai da ka sarkar ngi ni on indefinite strike tingil wala on indefinite strike kan continue kan kat ba kampat sngo ka sarkar ngi namar ka chulong kap kai kam bai mit tingim no kan numpat pen kadang kan ngi nata ka daw kan ngi haban long indefinite kamut kanang ya bet hadu bandayo kata ka hok ka jongi kajing kuan kajing pa kajing pan kajungi prapo persen kum batho ang ni ngimpat laban ya ngin palaban stop ya kan ka agitation ka jongi ya kata ngin saya perkat namar belai ya kata ban ong lupa ka pamlalong namar kidon ngamdei ka member tang marwai filai yang ni kia bun ngidon ki isi members te ya kata ngi haban ra ha ka isi ngin saya pait kum dongin ya le kan ya kata ngin sabatai hadin kan banga diri na sarkar hi ngamna ban ben ya ka sarkar le si ginong katu kajing kadai kajing bam suthu jimut ne tip kadai ke ka ba pelong hadu kat ne ba kamyat ne ngamla ban bataya kata na mardon na preng jung ngimo ki ba suthu bahaya ka kam don na preng jung ki nong tre ki bam suthu bahaya ka kam ne don ka transfer don ki ba resign no ashteng por don ki bon ki don ki bele si o ki mlong committed ne le si kami hab ka topik ka jung ki le si o de taru tambang patnang ban batai hiru ya kata tamban re le si o de kata we have shidan nadu ar hajar ar pulai hi ngila le ya kani takadaw ngin sapoi hadu kat nu put ru kadai bingila pen sngo pen sngap ya ka sarkar nadu ar hajar ar pulai kita ki balong written document mo ladang ngim tho ngim tip dei te ladang ngi tho ngi tip ngila sedang ban tho nadu ar hajar ar pulai bingila le hi shiki ba dei ban pet kum ki education minister kum kini ngila le kendo kum director jongi ru ngila le kendo tingila le hi ta ka kam ka jong na ka level ka jongi ru ngila le ngila work out tingi up ya kata jing work out ke jongki ngila up shi up nadu December ngila up yang nadu new April te mata kamlong kampoi she te hadu dala poi kani ka put tingin ban si shu bangin wan banya shong gumne kan bangin pensngap kan bakin ai kam urlang bakhat aspa tami kadai nadu ka cluster level block level district level but state level ro kila included di district tamaki garu kin sa join namar ngiyo ya ka permission rumenen na IDC jongiru ngiyo hadu san baje san shiteng e kumto tena kata kadaw ki garu hills ki bana dangwan na garu hills ki dang ya join menta ki dang don halanti jingmut jim perkhat ka jongki le sikim suthu ya kata ka hok ka jongki ti ngamtep yo ki le jing treiru ya kata ngampat la ban assurance namar ngidang lum mi ki signature menta don lang hakani ka non teaching staff mo nadu na cluster block district but state level kan kiba issue bu kajing kerpat nak yang mangi ki leaders ba kajing mentoy ngin yo lang baro te balai ken ba fin long yo na pleng jung phi phi le trei e te subha kan ba fin ya sno khti lang bat ngi ban yo wan lang shkan kajing lang namar khnang ba ha ba kut hi kamdei tang ka jongi kadai na menta jong ngi baro kho hi ki ba wan trei ni ki bam le trei tingi kerpat ba fin ya sno khti lang khnang ba kani ka sarkar kan sngap lem ya ka sor ka jongi